Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm here with my mom today. I'm visiting my mom and we are making achar. So this is all I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna use lemon, some chilies, some mulis, I don't know what it's called, carrots, ginger. So first I chopped them. Now my mom was teaching me here how big I want to make the slice. So the first that I did was kind of a little small, so she told me to just make it a little bit more thicker, so that way you can enjoy this more better. So I'm gonna slice them slightly a little thicker here. And now I know that I didn't really make any video for a long time, and I think I'm back and I really want to continue making some more videos and I want to show you all the recipes that my mom teaching me. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop all the vegetables here. Now the vegetables I'm using here, it's all I didn't really measure. We just feel like we want more lemons, so we have more lemons, more chilies, and more mulis here. We don't have a lot of ginger, but we're also gonna use ginger here. I'm also gonna add a lot of carrots. Alright, so here I'm all done. Now I'm gonna show you what spices we use here. I'm gonna list them here, all of them, how much we use, and all the spices that we use. But basically, what we use here, let me tell you, it's cumin, rye, dhania, haldi, hing, salt, more cumin. We just grind them coarsely, and we're just gonna put it on that big pot here where we're gonna mix everything. So just couple more things here. We're gonna add like my mom call it Raina Korea. I'm gonna put the name here if you like to know what this is. We're gonna add some lemon juice. You can also use a fresh lemon juice if you have more source of lemon. And we're also gonna use some oil, just maybe 2 tablespoons here. We're also gonna add some red chilies. Now this is not that spicy, but if you like more spicy, you can add more chilies. If you don't want spicy, you don't have to add this red chili at all, but we like to add it for the colors and for the taste. Alright, so here my mom already made these before. It's a turmeric and same stuff, lemon water and that Reina Korea. And we already had this, so we're just gonna mix this here. But if you don't have this, you just have to cut the fresh turmeric, and just put it in here. Alright, so I'm just gonna put all the veggies in here and then I'm gonna mix it all. So we made this in the morning and we started eating them like at night for the dinner. So it will be a little crunchy for like couple days, but you can start eating this after maybe like 3-4 days if you want to do that way. But we also like a crunchy, so just leave it aside for a couple days. Just make sure you mix it twice a day. Alright, so this is second day. It's all done. As you can see, it's kind of a little crunchy, but we like it this way. So we always make it in a small batch. But you can enjoy these with some roti, debra. We That's what we usually eat with that. But again, we eat this every night, every day for the dinner. So I hope you guys like my mom's recipe. I will see you next time. Bye.